Now, Python has the ability to generate Boolean logic. Now, you can just do this yourself by typing things like return true and return false and then doing something with that. But it also has some built-in features where you can check things and then it will return true and it will return false. And one of those is to check whether all the characters in a string are lower or uppercase. So here's our example. So I'm just going to create a variable. It's just going to be a string, and I'm just going to call it words. Okay, so I'm just going to call that hello world. So nice, simple, straightforward. So what I want to do now is create a variable to check whether that is uppercase or lowercase, and then basically return true or false. So I need to use the name of the variable that holds the string over here, and it's a built-in thing. So it literally is just dot is lower, and if you're looking for upper, then you would do is upper. Now, if I print x, what I should see is it returns false. Why? Because I got a capital H in there. But if I change that to a small case, and now it tells me that's true. Now, if you look at this example that I created, you can see we can now use this in an if statement or in a while loop, for example. So we could say while words is lower is true, then keep doing this. So I've done the same thing. I've just defined this variable up here, which just has a string. And then I've created a function, which we've looked at before. And I've said if words is lower, if that's true, if it returns true down the bottom here, then we want it to print yes. If it's not true, then we want it to print no. And then I just run the function. So if I run it, no. Why? Because it's got a capital H. Let's go back, change that to lowercase, and then run it. This time, yes, it does indeed follow the logic that everything in the string is lowercase, and therefore we can print the word yes. So that's one of the ways that you can use this in a function.